People with mobile phones are always on, always with us, always connected. We carry our phone with us 24/7. 60% of the ads that lead to making a purchase are viewed on a mobile device. 98% of SMS marketing recipients open their messages. 29% click on links in SMS messages they receive. That is a click-through rate of 29%. And 47% of those go on to make a purchase. That's nearly 14% conversion. Mobile offers are redeemed 10 times more frequently than print offers. The switch to digital coupons saves time, printing costs, and increases revenue, and is measurable in real time. With mobile, you are able to directly interact with your target customers and provide them with your product or service wherever and whenever they need them. When someone reaches for their mobile phone to search for a restaurant because they are hungry, or they log on to a fitness app to record their runtime, you need to be there. We at Out There Media and Andacure Digital have all the information about your target audience and use Mobux technology to reach them effectively and efficiently, directly on their mobile device. We enable you to get the right message to the right person at the right time and in the right place. Let's take Robert, for example, who is at his office and receives a message around lunchtime asking if he's hungry and providing a link so that he can immediately order his lunch. Or Susan, who is having coffee at the mall and receives a message with a discount coupon and then goes to the nearby store to redeem it. Mobile advertising is about reaching the right person with the right message at the right time and at the right location. Increase your sales, boost your brand awareness, engage with your audience, achieve your targets. We are your one-stop shop. Book your campaign now.